Look at this incredibly sharp, aggressively sculpted compact crossover, completely resetting the visual benchmark on your screen right now. For years, the subcompact SUV segment has been flooded with uninspiring, budget-focused commuter cars that feel compromised, underpowered, and stripped of premium features. But Nissan has officially torn up the old rulebook by unleashing the jaw-dropping, entirely reimagined 2027 Nissan Kicks. Welcome to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava, and today, we are breaking down the exact engineering and technological paradigm shifts that make this crossover a true class disruptor. The 2027 Kicks isn't just a minor evolutionary update, it is a complete, ground-up reinvention. By growing significantly in physical size, introducing a much more muscular stance, and packing in heavy-duty mechanical upgrades, Nissan is aiming directly at the crown of the compact market. For buyers who want bold styling paired with legitimate all-weather confidence, this vehicle completely changes the game. Let's map out the precise metrics on this absolute powerhouse. When you look at the 2027 Nissan Kicks, the structural and aesthetic transformation is immediately breathtaking. The previous generation relied on a conservative, narrow city car silhouette. This all-new model completely abandons that look for a wide, fiercely planted, and athletic posture inspired by modern high-end sports gear. Up front, the traditional V-motion grille has been replaced by a massive, sophisticated horizontal grille matrix that seamlessly integrates hidden, stacked LED daytime running lights into its dark perimeter. Moving down the side profile, the body features deeply chiseled accent lines, an available contrast-colored floating roofline, and dramatically flared fenders. Riding on massive, premium alloy wheels with substantially increased ground clearance, it sheds the entry-level vibe, inheriting the commanding, upscale road presence of a vehicle twice its price point straight from the drawing board. Now, let's talk about the massive mechanical upgrades, because this is where the 2027 Kicks completely rewrites its segment standards. Historically, the Kicks was strictly a front-wheel drive city commuter. But for this brand new generation, Nissan has officially introduced an advanced intelligent all-wheel drive system across the lineup. This intelligent framework continuously monitors road conditions, automatically routing power to the wheels with the most grip to conquer rain, snow, and rough gravel trails seamlessly. To complement this newly found traction, the old, sluggish engine has been completely discarded. Underneath the sculpted hood sits a larger, much more potent 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine utilizing friction-reducing mirror bore technology, derived from the legendary GTR. It pumps out a healthy boost in horsepower and torque managed through Nissan's latest generation Stronach automatic transmission. Paired with a newly optimized multi-link rear suspension on AWD models, the ride quality smooths out harsh road imperfections, delivering a plush, highly controlled cabin composure that sets a brand new mechanical benchmark for compact crossovers. Step inside the cockpit, and you are immediately welcomed by a high-tech digital sanctuary that leaves its direct competitors looking like analog relics from a decade ago. The previous model's traditional layout has been completely wiped clean. Instead, the premium dashboard architecture is entirely dominated by a stunning, dual-screen monolithic display structure that looks like it was lifted straight out of a luxury electric concept car. This gorgeous glass housing seamlessly integrates a highly customizable digital driver instrument cluster right next to a massive 12.3-inch central infotainment touchscreen. Running Nissan's latest software framework with lightning-fast response times, it brings wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and live-updating navigation directly into your line of sight without a single messy cable cluttering the center console. But when you perform a deep technological and ergonomic analysis of this cabin, it becomes clear that Nissan didn't just dump big screens into the dashboard and call it a day. They completely re-engineered the sensory experience of compact travel. Let's talk about the physical controls. The center stack layout introduces sleek, haptic touch surfaces for the automatic climate control matrix, which gives the entire cabin a clean, minimalist, upscale aesthetic while remaining incredibly intuitive to operate on the move. Directly below that, a resculpted lower console features an ergonomic electronic shifter, a dedicated drive mode selector to optimize traction, and an enlarged wireless smartphone charging pad nestled perfectly alongside deep, versatile cup holders and storage bins tailored for your daily gear. The real headline for interior comfort, however, lies in the premium packaging of the seating architecture. For the first time in history, the Kicks introduces Nissan's world-renowned zero-gravity seats to both the front and rear passenger rows. These seats utilize advanced biometric engineering to mimic the neutral posture of astronauts in weightlessness, drastically reducing muscle fatigue and pressure points on long-distance road trips. Whether you are battling a brutal morning gridlock or embarking on a cross-country weekend getaway, the level of orthopedic support across both rows completely blows past anything else in this price bracket. The passenger experience is further elevated by ultra-premium stitching details, heavy-duty soft-touch materials on the door cards and armrests, and a beautiful multicolor ambient lighting matrix that lets you customize the interior glow to match your mood. Now, let's look at the acoustics, because Nissan has completely transformed this cabin into a moving concert hall. They have deployed a premium Bose Personal Plus 10-speaker sound system that features ultra-near-field speakers built directly into the driver's headrest. This creates an incredibly rich, 360-degree immersive 3D audio stage that wraps entirely around you, transforming the daily hustle into an isolated escape from the outside world. To ensure that premium audio remains crystal clear, the engineering team packed the body structures with advanced acoustic glass, extra layers of floorboard sound-deadening insulation, and optimized aerodynamic mirrors to drastically reduce wind and road noise at highway speeds. Finally, let's evaluate the raw structural utility and space efficiency of this brilliant layout. Because the 2027 Kicks has grown significantly in overall length and width, the physical interior space has expanded dramatically. Rear seat passengers enjoy a substantial increase in legroom and knee clearance, ensuring adults can sit comfortably on extended journeys. Looking overhead, an expansive panoramic glass sunroof floods the entire dual-row layout with natural light, making the already spacious cabin feel even more open and airy. And when you open the rear liftgate, you are greeted by an expanded cargo hold that leads its class in raw volume, featuring a highly adaptable two-tier luggage board system. You can lower the floor for massive vertical storage capacity, or raise it to create a completely flat load floor when the rear seats are folded down. This is an uncompromised, hyper-premium, beautifully engineered living space that officially sets a towering new benchmark for cabin luxury. So, let's deliver the ultimate tactical verdict. Who should actively look past traditional subcompact options and park the 2027 Nissan Kicks in their driveway? This machine is a brilliantly tailored blueprint for young professionals, tech-forward commuters, and active lifestyle buyers who demand the bold styling, high seating position, and all-weather AWD capability of a large crossover, but require the agile, easy-to-park dimensions of a compact vehicle. By matching a muscular design overhaul with upgraded 2.0-liter engine performance, legitimate intelligent all-wheel drive, and a gorgeous twin-screen digital sanctuary, Nissan has officially proven that an attainable crossover can feel hyper-premium without a luxury price tag. The standard bearer has officially been dethroned. Silently smash that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now to stay ahead of the global automotive curve. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.